Alright you dafties, so we're back with a new video, and today we're going to be talking about my top favourite items from the Schuh, not sponsored, summer sale. Number 3 is the tan and blue Nike Vortexes, the original price being $75, then sale price being $54.99. The colour scheme is like something unique and it just pops out so well, and it remains very similar to the Mars Yards with the tan and red, and it looks perfectly, just looks perfect. Plus you can never really go wrong with a Vortex. The silhouette is so nice and unique, the sole is comfortable, it's just a perfectly balanced shoe. Numero 2. Next are the Adidas Specials in the black with the brown gum sole. These are just a unique, nice casual shoe. You can never really go wrong with them. Price starting at £75 and then going on sale to $54.99. You can't really go wrong with that price, can you? An honourable mention is the black and white Cortezes, the premium leathers. Just a nice shoe. I love Cortezes. I'm a Kenny fan, so I need to rep them, you know. Sadly couldn't get either of the releases, but what can you do? This is just a nice shoe. The starting price was $80 and then the starting price was $80 and then it came down to $49.99. It's a big jump in price. It's a leather casual shoe that can be really worn with a lot. It's a bit different because it has a wee tick on the front as well, as you'll see, compared to just the normal Cortezes. Numero 1 is the black and blue 574 New Balance V2s. Just a normal take on the 574s, but since it's a V2 they had to change something. So they've added a thicker sole on the back and then a thicker sole on the front. It just looks so unique and nice, and it's something a lot different with New Balance. They were kind of behind in the times, although they had comfy shoes, the style wasn't fully there. But the 574s, the V2s, it looks like they're trying to do something different with it, and I'm all behind it because it is such a nice shoe. The starting price was $90 and then it came down to $49.99. You can't really go wrong with that. That's a massive jump, nice colourway, and I'm genuinely going to go buy these when I have a chance because they're so nice. So that was my not sponsored, I wish it was, that would be insane, but it's not. So that was just literally just a top list of some of the items in the shoe sale. I picked Schuh because it's one of the main retailers for shoes out here in the UK. You've got like Size, like you can use End as well, but Schuh is like one of the most like high street, like probably one of the best high street ones, because Foot Locker's not as big over here. So again, not sponsored, wish it was, but if you guys want to check any of them down in the description, I'll leave all the links to the shoes I've mentioned. Plus if you've not checked out the sale, then why not, because there's a lot of good stuff in it. So yeah, if you guys liked the video, please follow my Instagrams, they should be in one of the corners. And if you guys want to leave a like, I'd really appreciate that. If you guys want to subscribe, I've not done a lot of videos recently, but I've been super busy. But that's about to change. So yeah, thank you guys, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace.